Bubbles are ready to play. Stay till the end, fun and giggles won't float away. The tub is ready, water so warm. Time for Bubbles to swirl and perform. Rubber ducks float, happy and bright, dancing around in the soft bath light. Squeaky toys go squeak, 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 making giggles from cheek to cheek. Tiny hands clap, splash and play. In bubbly waters wash the day away. Foamy mountains rise so high, stacking bubbles up to the sky. Little fingers poke and swirl, every bubble begins to twirl. Splish, splash goes the tiny feet, dancing in rhythm to the beat. Wash the arms, wash the toes, every little giggle grows and grows. Captain Duck sails across the foam, finding treasure in the bubbly dome. Bubbles pop, 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 little hands chase them hop by hop. Rub-a-dub-dub, scrub the back, spin around, no need to lack. Hairy heads get shampooed with care, rinsing away every little dare. Mirror fogs with misty art, draw a smiley heart or star chart. Bubbles float and drift away, shimmering softly at the end of day. Time to rinse, but don't feel sad, bathing moments make hearts glad. Wrap in towels soft and warm, safe and cozy, free from harm. Wave goodbye to rubber friends, bath time fun never ends. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, sing along to this bubbly beat. Did you splash, clap and giggle today? Or like, subscribe and share right away for more bath time songs and playful rhyme. Follow our channel, Bubbles every time.